finishing up their prototypes. Students in the Engineering Design and Development class at May River High School are creating products that will solve a problem by using an innovation or new invention concept.
We're inventing a spring-loaded tripod. So basically it's a tripod with springs in it, so whenever you're deploying it, you click a button, the legs shoot out instead of having to pull them out manually.
We invented it to reduce the time to set up a camera in case, for missing pictures or videos. A lot of time between that can cause many missed opportunities.
We're inventing a universal blind spot detector. It's like an addition to a car, since what we've researched is mainly installations of blind spot detection systems, and it's really expensive, so we thought we can make something a lot more affordable to any car, so just an addition to your car, a small thing.
The students brainstormed and researched ideas, designed their prototypes using computer programs, and then got to work building their inventions.
I've never used a Dremel before, any of these table saws, soldering wires together and whatnot. We learned a lot of programming along the way, but you also really figure out how much it takes to really invent something and do it, because there's such a trial and error process. We've been doing the same thing for about 4 days now, just trying to figure out a total solution to it. So you find an appreciation for all these projects that go around nowadays.
The students will also be presenting their designs virtually over Zoom to business and industry professionals, as well as educational and community leaders. The participants will have the opportunity to ask students questions and provide them with valuable real-world feedback.
There's a survey at the end of the presentation where the individuals are visiting and checking out the students' projects. We'll then give them feedback specific to if they met their design goals and how they did on presenting and communicating what they learned throughout the project.
Students will also post their design project materials online, such as their digital engineering notebooks and a pre-recorded video presentation for the participants to review. At May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.